to graph this line, we're going to graph this using intercepts. And when we see this, and this is how you'll see it on the assignment, when I use the intercepts, this is in that general form. This is where you'll see that most often. You won't typically have to write anything in general form. You'll mostly just see this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I want to cover up one of these side pieces here. So I'm going to go through and do that. And I wasn't meaning to use a circle. I wanted to use a square. So if I do that, I'll pick a square and I'll just kind of do that. And I'm going to fill it so that you can really see that it is solid like that. And that lets me kind of move this around so I can cover things up a bit. And when I do this, and I'm going to cover up this first one, and that when I do that, I'm letting x be 0. So I'm going to have a point 0, and this is going to find the y-intercept, and that's going to be 0. Solve for y, so I divide both sides by 5, and I get y equals 3. Now I'm going to move this over here, cover up the y value, and I'm going to solve for x. And this is letting my y value be 0. And when I do that, and this time I'm going to divide by -5, I'm going to get -3. So those are my two intercepts. Now I plot these, and I just get some graph paper. You'll have graphs available to you today to do any of this stuff. Get my graph out here. And now I'm going to go through and just plot those 2 points, 0, 3. So that point there, -3, 0 is that point right there. I just put those 2 points in, and then I just connect them. Use a straight edge on paper. If it's an online assignment, it draws it for you automatically. You don't have to worry about drawing a straight line. But on paper, definitely use a straight edge and get that line, just like that. So just cover up those bits, and it makes one part 0, and either the x or the y, and we solve for the other one. Plot those points, then connect them.